Greetings to my Communications 1010 Section 202 class. My name is Denicia Payne. I'm a senior at Wayne State University. My major is integrated science. My minor is elementary ed. I want to be a science teacher. That happens to be an interest of mine. I love anything related to science. I love sci-fi, fantasy. I also love music, all types of music. I'm a big fan of music. I'm also conditioning myself to run a half marathon, so that's something that I'm really excited about. What do I hope to get out of this class? Well, I think I can learn how to communicate better with people. I can be very long-winded. I don't know how to actually condense my conversation, and I say a lot. I don't want to say a lot when I'm speaking to people, and I talk with my hands a lot. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I want to be able to learn how to communicate better. I think Wayne State University has made this a requirement because communication is very important. If you don't know how to communicate with people, chances are you're not going to have a good rapport with them, and you're not going to succeed. Especially in this society, communication is the key to getting ahead. Also, I hate to admit it, but if it was not a requirement, I don't think I would take this class. I'm excited about taking the class now. I am. I'm very excited about taking the class. But the only reason why I want to take the class is because tuition is extremely high. It's so high. But anywho, that's another show. I guess I'm looking forward to meeting every last one of you guys. Have a good day. Bye.